the Beauty Business Bus, and we are on our way to the LA Convention Center for the LA Makeup Show, courtesy of the Beauty Business Bus. She let me tag along today, so I'm going to be filming today. We're going to get content, see what we can find at the show, and I'm sure it's going to be a fun day. So what are you expecting at this makeup show today?
It is for the beauty entrepreneurs, but a little bit more than what you see at a typical hair makeup show. This is for the creators. If you're looking to design or create a brand, a concept, personal brand, a product, this is the place to be. You can set yourself up with turnkey companies that will do everything from create logo design to deliver your packaging to customize your products from makeup to skincare to all that and that. So we're on our way to go check it out and see who we meet.
Yay! See you guys inside.
We have a short clip just to kind of give you a visual of the newest venture of Fakai.
I've been running wild, maybe done it again, done it again. Taking all this time to let it go. Now it's your time for money. Get out there, you're really inside. No matter what they say, get out there.
So share with us really the major components of this rebrand, the latest brand Fakai.
So we're launching Fakai. First of all, I wanted to make sure that we follow up a little bit the heritage of the brand and the legacy, because our products are still very good and performant, and I want to make sure the customer were not confused by that. So we developed a whole new bottle, but keeping the same color by family of product. For technician color, for instance, it was pink, we kept the pink. For William glossing with olive oil, we kept the green as well, and so on and so on. So that was very important to keep that same thread going forward, but yet we were very, very fortunate, thanks to Todd here, who will speak more in details, to source recycled plastic.
Who inspired you to transition into a rebrand?
Good question. My lifestyle and many of my friends and customers has changed over the years. Everybody is very cautious, and I hope, I want to believe that people are more responsible. And for sure, we've seen the trend, all of you have seen that, everyone is careful about toxic ingredients. Everyone is careful about, ingredients that could harm you or the environment. So to me, it was an easy decision, and also an exciting decision, because it fulfilled my wishes, my personal wishes, the way I live. So I think business should be that. It should be authentic. It should be real. It should be a way of your life, the way you are. So it's authentic.
So we have this brand new reusable jar. You unscrew it. There's a seal disc that we have in here. It's just missing right now. You just press it up at the bottom. This till it drops back on. This MP have new reusable bottle also. The way this slide out the chain. starting at 50 ml.
Yeah,
They can be decorated any way you want.
it's all about what we could do to reuse, right?
Absolutely.
No, everything.
All right, that concludes our day at the LA Convention Center. And we met so many people, we saw so many cool things, and we learned a lot about branding. And now we're headed home. So I hope you guys liked the video. Bye!